Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I do apologize for my absence on YouTube. Some of you may not have noticed, but many of you did because you sent me emails. Thank you very much. We were not feeling well at my house, but I am better now. So I wanted to do a video and show you guys some things. You know how I like to support small businesses. Well, I'm going to show you some things from a small business that I've already showed you before, but I want to tell you some more stuff about it that maybe I didn't mention in the beginning, because I found out more, some that they had a website, and it's even cooler than I imagined before. So, do you remember my video where I talked about Nelsonwood? He makes handcrafted crochet hooks and other things that you'll be able to find. Now, last time that I did a video, I talked about his Etsy shop. Go to his website. I'll link it below. I'm not affiliated with him or anything, but I'll link his website below. www.nelsonwood.net. Oh my gosh, he has so much more that you can choose from on there. So it's better on his website. So you go there, and his name is Brian, and he hand makes all these hooks by hand in Texas. So they're made in the U.S., handmade by a small business. And I do love to support small businesses when I can. So he goes, "Can I show you what I got?" I'm super addicted to his hooks. I don't even know why, because I can't use anything except for a straight aluminum hook. But like I said, I do collect crochet hooks. And his are so beautiful. So, where do I begin? I don't know. I guess I'll just grab one and show you. So, what can I tell you about his shop? Maybe this is the first time that you see my video. I'll link my other video that I did before. But definitely I recommend his website. Very much, like hardcore recommend it. He's got such super cool hook stuff that you can choose from on there. Very highly customizable. You can do it. So I went to his website, and I'm like, wow, there's some, oh gosh, really cool stuff on there. So what can I tell you about it? He hand makes these, so I think it said 7 to 10 days or something, but, so it, you gotta wait a little bit for him to make them. It's not that long, really. And then he ships them, which he ships priority mail, so it gets here rather quickly, just a couple days. And he ships them in these little vials. They're taped up when they come, but I already took the tape off so I can just pop them open and show you. So they're protected on both ends with the styrofoam, so it's a nice touch. So do you guys want to look at them? I always buy J hooks from him because J's my favorite size. Oh, some of these are so actually, they're all so beautiful. I mean, I can't even get the lid off. I'm weak from being sick. I can't do it. Come on, Crystal. I got it. Okay, sorry about that. So look at this beauty. Now you go to his website. So his hooks are different prices, depending on how you customize them and stuff. Because you can get different woods on the ends. You can have metal tips on the ends or wood on the ends. It just depends on what, and what you have in the middle here. It all just depends. The price just depends. So you go over there and check him out for pricing. I'm just going to show you what he has to offer here. This is not all. This is by means not all that he has to offer, but he's got tons of stuff. But I'm so super stoked to buy hooks from him and collect them up. So this one is called, I'm probably not going to say it right, CHAMISE Root Burl Gold Dust Metallic. Look at that. So, and then you can choose the type of wood that you want at the end. So he also has it where you can get like rings of wood in there. You just have to go and check it out. It's super cool. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is one pretty hook. Now, it doesn't cost anything for him to stamp the size of hook that you want. If you want the size hook stamped on there, he'll do that for you. If not, he'll leave it off. I stamp mine because I do not use, I only collect, and one day someone will inherit my collection, I'm sure, and they'll probably want to know what size hook these are. They are inline. They're not tapered, so they are the inline type. There you go. You can see that. Now the type of wood at the end is called, again, I'm probably not going to pronounce it right. I can't pronounce anything. I apologize if you're watching my video. I just can't pronounce anything. Okay, I think it's bow coat. No, I looked it up. That's how you pronounce it. Bow coat. Unless Google's wrong, but that's how you pronounce it. Bow coat. B-O-C-O-T-E. That's the type of wood that I chose. I love that wood. So that's what's at the end of each of these. Remember, that's customizable. You can choose. And then in the middle is that jasmine. I think that's right. Root burl. Metallic. Gold metallic. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. So that's just one. I got a few to show you up in here. Oh, I gotta show you some of these. They're so pretty. I hope I can get the ends off of them. Oh, this one's a beauty too. This one's so pretty. This one's so pretty. Seashells. It's made of seashells. Ready for this? Okay, this is Indian mixed seashell with a bloodwood ends. So I got to choose what color I wanted on the ends. I chose a bloodwood. Look at that. Oh, he has some other seashells ones that I want, but I went with this one first. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And like I mentioned in my prior video, that they are so nicely done. You can't even tell where the wood begins in the seashells. You know, it's just, there's no seam there. Very nicely done on this, and he did stamp that for me. I don't know if you can see it, but it does say J right there. Very, very nice. I don't know if you watch this in my video, but very nice, Brian. Inline. That's a beauty, isn't it? Look at that beautiful wood shining. Such excellent craftsmanship. I smell things. If you're new to my channel, I smell things. Especially yarn. No, that's very pretty. I like that one. I think that whenever I do another order, since I'm decided I'm going to be a Nelsonwood hook collector now, I'm going to get another. They have another actually they have more than one seashell one, but I think my next one might be some really pretty pink seashells. So I'll probably get that next. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's beautiful. Look at this one. You know, on some of his hooks, if you go there. Okay, so this one is called Ice Fairy with holly ends. So he has different, the ends, this is holly and white. He has different colors of holly. On some of his hooks, you could actually choose the square that he uses to make your hook with. I think I chose this one. I can't remember. But isn't that pretty? Ice Fairy. There's my J stamp. The flowers in that. That's beautiful. I like the blue at the bottom and the white there. I think I look really good with that white. I do. Some of these I had debated on what color of end to get. You know, it's kind of hard to envision it, but I think the white worked really well with this one. I really like that one. So this is the Ice Fairy hook with white holly ends. And of course, remember, there's my J stamp. I don't know if I already showed you that, but you can choose different ends. He has so much to choose from on his website. Remember, I'll put that link down below in the description box, and if I remember, I'll put it in the comment section as well. It'll be the very top comment from me. Look at this beauty. This is flowers. I got a flowered one last time, but I got another flowered one. So this one is called Teal Star Flowers with green holly ends. So these are green star flowers inside. There's my stamp, the mark of Bagoday, the J, my favorite. And I chose green holly ends, which remember, you can choose whatever end you'd like and whatever size you like. This is downright gorgeous. That is a gorgeous hook. They're all really, really beautiful hooks. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm very happy with all of them. This one I got made me think of my daughter Evelyn, who is 6. She's like a pink fanatic. This is called, I hope I'm saying that right, Jasmine Root Burl Cotton Candy with pink holly. Okay. So, which one was this one? Okay, this was the Jasmine Root Burl with gold metallic. So I showed you that one in the beginning. It's that sparkly gold. This one is Cotton Candy when I chose pink holly ends. Look at that one. Look at that J. There's the J mark. I love that one. I couldn't decide on the ends on this one either, but I just because I knew this was going to have a lot of pink in it, but I thought, hey, what the heck, I'm just going to go all pink on this one. I like it. I think it's really pretty. I also do think it would look good with the, this would too at the ends. But I'm happy with the pink. I am. I like it. It's beautiful. That's a gorgeous hook. Very pretty. Thank you. Nice job. Love it. Remember, you must check out his website, not just his Etsy shop. I highly recommend you go to his website. The first one I was like, go to his Etsy shop. Now I highly recommend that you go to his website because there's like so much more there. So much more. And everything is so customizable to your likings. Ooh, this is a mystery casting. Yes, I remember this. He had like these little squares of castings and they were just called mystery castings. And I believe you could choose which one you wanted. I can't remember. Or it was a mystery. I don't know. Anyways, it's gorgeous. So, if you go there and you type in mystery castings, you can see. And that turned out beautiful, didn't it? Look at that. That is so pretty. Yes. I just went to the site, just looked it up real quick. You go to mystery castings and he has them laying out. And they're numbered and you can choose which casting that he uses for your hook. And I remember now, mine, I chose mine. I think some of them he might have more than one. I'm not sure. But then I got the Boko at the bottom. Let's look and see. Yeah. It's beautiful. He has lots of different colors in the mystery castings that you can choose from. So pretty. Anyways, this is the one I chose. It's very, very pretty. I just love this wood here. It's so pretty. The bokeh. That's so nice. Let's go work well together. It's very sparkly too. When you see that, see it shining in that light? Look at that. I'm not done. I have just a couple more to show you real quick. And then I'll be on my way. Okay? Okay, this one's beautiful. They're all beautiful. I mean, I'm going to have to choose a favorite at the end because I always choose a favorite. Or I try. Look at this one. This was called Spectrum with ebony ends. Oh, you know I love the rainbow. Now this one I remember having a hard time choosing what color I wanted on the ends as well. Because I love the rainbow when it's placed with black. So this is that black I picked. And I also love it when it's with white. But I went with the black because I had already had this white hook. I think I made the right choice. So that is just downright gorgeous. Look at the rainbow colors in that one. There's my stamp of Bagoday. That's what I'm going to call that. That is beautiful, beautiful. I like that one a lot. It's pretty. Now, remember this is the Spectrum. And I had it made with ebony wood, which is black, but he's got all different kinds of wood you can choose from. I mean, any of these woods that I showed you, you can put at the end of it. It certainly would have looked well with the white, but I think I do like the one that I chose with the black. Probably would have looked good with the green. Probably would have looked good with any color since it's got all them colors in it. But yeah, I'm happy with the black. This is a very pretty hook. I like this one. Okay. Do you guys know which one I'm going to pick as a favorite? I got one more to show you real quick. Oh man, that's too hard. I don't know if I'll be able to pick a favorite. You guys let me know your favorite, but I got to show you one more. I got this one because it has my name in it, but just spelled differently. It's crystal with a K. This is called a walnut shell crystal with a K. with African blackwood. Okay, so this is made out of walnut shells. See that? That is a pretty hook. There's my mark, the J of Bagoday. I love that wood that I chose to go with that. That is an absolute beautiful match together. Oh, look at them walnut shells. I love this one a lot. I do. I think the end I chose on like I said on that, is just perfect. That is perfect combination. Wow. It's so cool, those walnut shells in there. Look at that. You can see them. I can see them really well. I don't know if you guys can. It's so interesting. Okay. What's your guys' favorite? I have to pick a favorite. I don't know. It's too hard. I can't. If I had to choose, I couldn't. It'd probably be a toss-up between that walnut, because I think that walnut and me choosing that African blackwood on the end, that was just the perfect matchup for that one. To me, anyways, that was a good matchup. Absolutely love the rainbow spectrum with the black. And I'm really loving the seashell. Now, don't get me wrong. I love them all equally. But I always like to choose a favorite, all my yarn and everything that I pick. But it's very hard to choose. I mean, this metallic gold one is super nice. And so is the fairy. Oh, that's beautiful. That just brightens things up. And the pink, my daughter's going to flip over that one. She might even try to use it. My baby. Yeah, they're all beautiful. It'd be hard to choose. Well, you guys let me know your favorite in the comment section. I think if I had to pick, like I said, it'd be a top 3. These 3 would be tied. The spectrum with the black at the end. The walnut crystal with walnut shell crystal with the African blackwood at the end, and then I love the Indian mixed shells with the bloodwood ends. That's beautiful. They're all gorgeous. Beautiful hooks. But they're all very pretty. I mean, I love them all equally. So let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Now remember, you check him out. I highly recommend him. Now, I like Furls hooks. I have Furls hooks. I don't use them, but I have them in my collection. But I mean, they really can't hold a candle to his. They really can't. I mean, and his are also, I mean, they're just better than every way that you can imagine. I'm not dogging Furls. Like I said, I own some, but I would never choose them over him. I'm definitely going to start a collection of his hooks. Not Furls. But I do have Furls. So, but like I said, they're kind of not even in the same league as him. Just me saying that, but you don't have to listen to me. I know there's some diehard Furls fans out there, but to each their own, right? I'm gonna go with Nelsonwood. All right, check him out. He's gonna be my new hook guy. He's got like a hook of the month club and stuff. Like he has a different hook, like what do they call? Blanks or different squares you can choose or you can get for the hook of the month. He sold out April's like really fast. I didn't even get to get one. I was gonna get one because they were rainbowy, but when I went to get, they were gone. So yeah, maybe I'll shoot for May. I'm sure to be something beautiful. And then, you can doll it up however, but that's it. That's his info. Go follow him on Instagram. I follow him on Instagram. I like to see what he's making. He usually shows pictures of hooks that he's making or any new wood that he's got in and stuff, whatnot. Check him out, really. Highly recommended by me. Yes, definitely. Let me know your favorite in the comments, okay? Thanks everybody for watching. Bye guys.